I know you wanna love, but I just wanna fuck. And girl, you know the deal. You gotta keep it real.
Hi you guys, my name is Mackenzie Drake. Welcome back to my motherfucking channel, bitch. Today I am back at it again with another clothing haul. I have bathing suits and little summer things. This might be one of my last summer hauls, so this is very sad. But I have more bathing suits. For what beach am I going to? I don't know. But I got more bathing suits. I don't know why. See my eyelash popping off? I'm sorry. I ran out of glue and it's kind of popping off. I'm gonna put my code on the screen. Go save your money and go purchase from Shein.com. It's one of my favorite fast fashion retailer sites. Are you guys loving this consistency? Because I am. We're doing the damn thing, Bootsy. It's like 90 degrees and I swear my air is on, but it's so hot. I feel like I'm gonna pass out. Okay, I'm gonna try not to make this one 40 minutes long. I'm sorry, my last one was so long, so let's hope. I'm gonna try to get through each of the items like quicker and not talk for like a million hours, okay? Okay. Hopefully I'm focused, bitch. I'm probably not. I just came back from practice and I took a shower, got ready. Here I am, and I'm gonna have to take another shower tonight because I'm sweating again. I'm first gonna start off with this shirt because I can't put it on. Because, okay, so you guys, if you have me on Instagram, you saw this cute little top. Isn't it so cute? I guess I tied it too tight, so in the laundry, it snagged. Can just sew it back on, but you know, rip to this shirt because I will never get to it, so. And now I'm just gonna get to the rest of the pieces. I'm trying to make this quick. I'm trying to make this easier to watch for you guys. I'm just gonna put on my glasses. I'm sorry guys, I can't see. Oh my God, I had my towel there. Oh, I swear I had this place looking nice. And before you guys comment, this shirt is from Zoomies. Yeah. I'm sweating, so it's probably gonna be good to get into some bikinis. Whew. Okay, let's get it started. Let's get this on the hot man, you feel me?
This is so humiliating!
Decided to keep it simple for the first one. Get the so here's this like just black one. It's very cheeky. Just gotta say that. Unless I have it on backwards, but I mean, I said in the last one we'll talk about coochie coverage, right? Okay, let's start with the top. This is so cute. It has a cute little tie. I'm pretty sure I got all the bathing suits in a 2X in Shein. As you can see, a lot of the booty is out to play. It's cute. And also I know I'm very pale. I'm very pale. I'm trying to work on that tan. Super cute. Basic straps. I'm trying to get this bathing suit haul a little bit quicker, so I think that's all I'm gonna say about it. But there's good coochie coverage. Bootsy, stop chewing my tartar. Get up here. So I got sunglasses from Shein, so let me get those out. These are up my butt. Okay. So I got 2 pairs of sunglasses. I think they're the same thing, but 2 different colors. A nice little stylish moment. I mean, these are cute, right? I don't know if I'd ever wear them outside. Sorry if my hair looks a mess. Here's the other pair. Oh no, these are actually different. Those were circular. I don't know if you can see, if it'll focus. They're like rectangular, and I don't know why I put these in my cart. It was pretty bold of me because I look like the 3 blind mice. Ooh, wee. Ooh, I hear ain't no kindness. Say wee. These are cute. Sorry, y'all, I'm making freaking Snapchat videos. Okay, so those are the sunglasses. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite bathing suit is. And also, I haven't tried all of these on yet, so I don't know what they look like. Ooh, actually I wore 2 of them, but most of them. I don't think I've worn anything like blue before, guys. I'm sorry, this one took so long to put on. The back is like a clasp thing. Ooh, girl, I don't know, but it took me a second. Get one of these bras with like the little ting. Actually, I feel like the top could be a little bit smaller because it's kind of big. I mean, maybe I think I need to tighten the straps. And I don't really have big boobs either, so maybe that's why. Coverage, really coming through. These are more covering than the last bathing suit. Whenever it connects to the back, it's not that thick of a band. I feel like your boobs could definitely fall out of this one. I don't know if you want to swim in this one, but it's cute to, you know, stand on the side. It looks super cute but intricate, and let's hope I can get it on. But number 3. Bootsy, I just knew it. Period. That's my period. Y'all, this one don't make no damn sense. With this one, it comes with this string right here, and it goes back, and I basically just tied it to the side because I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I'd ever actually wear this color. I'm trying to tie it to the back because I don't know what to do. I think the chick tied it around her waist like 40 times. The string is pretty small to do that. So it's just like purpley mauve. I don't know how to describe this, but I tied the thing around, and it's kind of just going in the rolls, girl. I don't know how I feel about this one. Everything's kind of out. My boobs are kind of out. Yeah, here's this one. It's actually a pretty cool material. It's like ribbed sweater like material. Well, not like material, but like sweater looking. I don't know. Kind of cute, but kind of not at the same time. Okay, maybe that's all I should say. This one's kind of really cute. I haven't tried this one when See, well, sorry, my camera SD card, I literally had to switch it. Like, what the heck? I ran out of sword or something. But here's this, like, oh my god, this is such a pretty color. I wouldn't say it's neon orange, but it's kind of, I don't know, but this is so cute. It has buttons, and then it has buttons down here. I'm really feeling this one. It's not that cheeky, but this color, I think it just looks so pretty. Let's try to say hi to my YouTube video.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Basically like ribbed vertical like stripe type things, and there's also padding in each of these bathing suits, so that's good. I think it's just super cute. Not really much to say about it. Yeah, really stretchy material. Actually, the last bathing suit had like a different type of material, so that's why it didn't fit as well. But like most of them have this like stretchy nylon material, and I'm digging it. Yes, I'd rate this one a 10. What about you, Bootsy? Bootsy licked his fur. He liked this one. I don't know, I just like how this one looks. I think that's enough for this one. Ooh, look at this burgundy. The cups are, fuck. I have big boobs. I don't know about this one because it's kind of like short like this. I like the stripes, the straps on this one and how they go in the back. Kind of like a shiny burgundy. We love that. Kind of like a gymnastics leotard. And the bottoms aren't very good for coochie coverage, and the booty's kind of all out too. But we ain't mad at it. Like a super cute, like shiny, I don't know, kind of looks reflective or some shit. This one like a 9, maybe even a 10. I really like this one. Sorry I keep coming up so close to the camera. Even though I have my glasses on, I still can't fucking see. Also, because as you can see, I'm very pale, so I was thinking about purchasing Loving Tan fake tanner with the mint, you know. Let me know if y'all tried Loving Tan or like any of that in your favorite tanning kind of fake tanner. As much as I love my pale skin, you know, gotta rejoice for my own pale skin. I just want to come back from the summer not looking like a snowman. But yeah, I think we have a couple more. I got some biker shorts, but I think I have like 3 more bathing suits, 2. Ooh, I don't know. I don't know if I would. Look at this one. So the bottom actually has like a mesh part. Okay, let me just explain the top. So the top is actually 2 pieces. This is kind of giving me like grease vibes, you know what I'm talking about? But it comes with the mesh overlay, and this is just a tube top thing. This is actually the black bottoms from earlier, because the bottoms they gave me with this set are like thong. Like, they don't cover my stomach. They're pretty small. It's like this mesh part too to match with the top, but I think I really like the mesh just by itself. I mean, that's kind of cute, and the back is open, y'all. Looks like a lingerie from the back. I'm not gonna lie, the mesh is kind of giving me some like, so this is a lot nothing. I've never worn something like this before. I don't know if this is off the shoulder, we're supposed to go on your shoulders, but I got big shoulders, so I can't really. Wow, it's just kind of super cute. It accentuates the good parts of my back because it covers like my back rolls, so I kind of like how my back looks on it. Just give me like big curly hair and leather pants, and I'd feel like, what's her name? I don't want to take this one off. This is everything. Biker shorts are from Shein, and I'm so mad because I got the wrong size. They still fit, they're just not as comfortable. So I have these in an extra large in black, and they're the best shorts ever. But I accidentally got them in a regular large, and they still fit, but they're just not as comfortable. But here's the neon ones. I don't know about these ones because they're pretty see-through. So, okay. But I am wearing the black bathing suit under it, so. I mean, they still fit good, but because I also got blue, but this is, because it's neon, it's like, you need to have some wiggle room or it will be see-through. And they're see-through. And I don't even know what I'm gonna wear with neon biker shorts. Girl, what are you doing? I should have got gray ones because I really want gray biker shorts, but I'm dumb and I didn't. Because this shirt I'm wearing.
Oh. Alright, sis, I'm gonna call you.
Okay, I'm gonna. Let's put another bathing suit on, Bootsy. Let's do it. Let's do it. Hey, let's do it. I think this is the other one. So I'm gonna try this one on. And I got 2 of the same ones. So I got this one in black, and I also got it in neon, which I posted a picture of it because I went swimming in it. So I'll pop it right here. But I got the black one. Let me show y'all the black one. So here's another basic one. I think I like it in black better than I like it in neon. I love this square neckline. But you just need a cute basic swimsuit every now and then. It covers a lot of the booty. Very cute family pool attire. So just imagine this in neon, okay? Because I got this in neon. Let me pull it up. I'm literally just too lazy to try both on. Y'all, this guy is fine as shit. Who is that? My windows are open, okay. It's just the same thing in neon. You feel me? Very bright, very colorful. This bathing suit cover up, like tank top type thing. So I'm gonna put that on. I have like tank tops just to like put over with like jean shorts. So I was like, babe, you need this on. So here's this. This is cute. With this bathing suit, it's like this knitted, oh, it's inside out. I'm a mess. I don't want to flip it, but it's like that. It's really cute to put with some jean shorts. Go to the pool, have a good time. I got this extra top because, I don't know, Bootsy literally waited for me to clear out everything on the box so Bootsy could just lay in the box. So I got this camo tube top. It actually seems kind of big because it's just so tiring. So here's this little tube top. It's kind of actually baggy. Maybe it's because I'm wearing a bathing suit under it, but it's kind of actually baggy. I got it in a 2 or 1X. I might have actually got this in 1X, but it's actually kind of baggy. But it's cute. This is a cute tube top with some like cargo shorts or something. I don't know. I just love tube tops, especially in the summer. Cause it'd be hot. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love making hauls, so you already know. It's almost the end of hot girl summer, which is very saddening, not gonna lie, very saddening. But we'll continue into hot girl autumn, hot girl fall, hot girl all year, baby. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed, and hopefully this was shorter. I know some people were complaining because I talk a whole lot, so I hope you guys enjoyed this one a little bit better and I didn't talk as much, even though I probably did. Remember, tell me what your favorite bathing suit was. Mine was either that orange one or the mesh one or this black one. Yeah, make sure to check out Shein. I'll have all the links for everything down below because you already know. Guys, it's almost freaking school and I'm not ready for senior year. I don't know. Let me show y'all what Bootsy's doing right now, guys. I'm so weak. Can y'all see Bootsy? Look at this cat. I'm gonna start doing back to school videos near the end of July, and I'm just pumped. As much as I hate school, I love back to school videos. Okay, let me shut up. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. It would mean so much. Y'all hear that? The ice cream truck is here. The ice cream truck is here. Okay. Also, my sister gave me this tapestry. We switched tapestries. This one's a little bit more colorful. I'm gonna see you guys in my next motherfucking YouTube channel. Comment YouTube channel on my next motherfucking YouTube video. Make sure to comment requests. Do all that shit. Okay, okay. Peace, love, positivity, bitches.